काममाशीत्य दुष्पोर्हं दम्भमानमदान्वितः मोहाद् गृहीत्वा सद्ग्रहान् मोहाद् गृहीत्वा असद्ग्रहान् प्रवर्तन्ते शुचिव्रतः. The demonic taking shelter of insatiable lust, pride and false prestige, thus being illusion, are always sworn to unclean work, attracted by the impermanent. Very nice shloka, lot of meaning. Kamam ashritya. Ashritya means ashray, to take shelter. Okay? Meaning is also there, taking shelter. Ashritya means taking shelter. Copy paste. Engineering means copy paste. Ashritya, so taking shelter. Taking shelter of what? Kama. And Krishna consciousness taking shelter of Krishna. That is the difference. So demons, they take shelter of lust, and devotees take shelter of the very nice place. In Bhagavatam it is there when Queen Kunti offers prayers to Krishna. At that time what happens? Kunti Krishna को prayers offer करती हैं. ठीक है, मालूम है भागवत में फर्स्ट कैंटो. तो क्या होता है कि प्रेयर सुनने के बाद कृष्णा थोड़ा मुस्कुराते हैं. एंड प्रभुपाद जी बोलते हैं वो मुस्कुराहट इतनी सुंदर, पूरा दुनिया उसको देख के चकित हो जाए. So that's a very important point there. Prabhupada says that everybody becomes enchanted by the smiling face of Krishna. Just smiles. It's okay. Queen Kunti offers wonderful prayers. Krishna doesn't say this is exaggeration. Nothing is exaggeration. For Krishna everything is perfect. Correct? You see are most powerful. Okay. Correct. So then he smiles. Krishna smiles. What is the Kunti Stuti starting? नमस्ते पुरुषं त्वाद्यं ईश्वरा प्रकृते परः अलक्ष्यं सर्वभूतानां अन्तर्बहि अवस्थितः मायाजवनिक आच्छन्नं अज्ञादोक्षजमं व्ययं न लक्ष्यसे मूढदृशा नटो नाट्योधरो यथा तथा परमहंसानां मुनीनां अमलात्मनां भक्ति योग विधानार्थम कथम पश्येत ही श्रेय. गोता बड़ा ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. You should see in the Bhagavatam Kunti's prayers. We should remember beautiful prayers. So when he offers a prayer, Kunti offers a prayer to Krishna, Krishna hears and he smiles. So Prabhupada says devotees are enchanted by the beautiful smile of Krishna. और लोग भी enchant होते हैं किसका? Smile of girls. And they just like you're reading in the morning, who got enchanted? Diti got enchanted by the smile of his wife. Kashyapa Muni got enchanted by the smile of Diti. आसान नहीं है, easily फंस जाओगे. इसलिए भगवान की मुस्कुराहट देखते रहो और उस पर एंचेंट हो जाओ. बट उसके लिए भी स्टैंडर्ड है. आप भगवान की मुस्कुराहट देखने से पहले उनके चरण को देखना चाहिए. Before you see the smiling face of Krishna, first you should see the darshan of the lotus feet. Then below, above, then face. And the 10th canto is the face of Krishna. And the smile is Krishna's dancing with the gopis. Actually, Krishna is smiling because Radharani is next to him, not because of you. We are nowhere now, है ना? We are not able to bring attention of Krishna. समझ आ गया? So, the point is this. The devotees are enchanted in different way. They are enchanted by Krishna's beauty. So they take shelter of Krishna. And kamam ashritya. But people take shelter of kama. And the desires keep increasing. And what is Krishna consciousness? To decrease. Just like Prabhupada gives example of, होता है ना, kite flying, you're done. Patang, kite. With the thread we had not done. Childhood, you are done. Kite flying. Kite flying hota hai? Gotilla? Thread ide, the kite hogtara. Good. क्या बोलता है कन्नड़? हाँ हाँ पतंग बोला गाड़ी पतंग ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ see not done. So in that principle is there, you lose and it will go more up. You tighten, it will come down, correct? What do you do want to pull down? One person will pull, other person will roll it back, correct? So similarly the same way our lust is increasing. We have to close it. So Krishna consciousness means close. Kama ashritya, we have taken shelter of lust, but decrease. So in the civilized society, because the Vedic culture, whole culture is based to how to close this. उसको खींचो वापस, ज़्यादा ढील नहीं देने का, खींचने का करते ना, खींचते उसको नीचे लाते. We used to play, 2 kites will be there, we will, you have done that? Will fight, and he'll put sharp, so it will cut, and he'll feel competition. So anyway, kamam ashritya, we taken shelter. So what to do? The whole Vedic culture is how to come out of this kama ashritya. Therefore brahmacharya. 25 years he will not even see a girl. 5 years go to Gurukul there is no girl. 5 years to 25 years he does not even see a girl. Training in brahmacharya. That is called brahmacharya training. The guy is keeping himself away. So, control. But in case he is agitated by sex desire, even after training, okay, get married to a devotee. And then continue Krishna consciousness. But kama is again control. Only to have a otherwise it is not the standard. So kamam ashritya, okay, to control. That is Vedic culture. But demons, kama is never. They have taken shelter of kama. And devotee has taken shelter of Krishna. He is experiencing higher pleasure. He doesn't take shelter of kama. There is a great acharya. His name is Yamunacharya. Yad avadi mama krishna padara vindhayo. Yadavadi mama krishna padara vindhayo. One book do alla shlokida note madi. My ichha is all of you become great preachers. So note madi, shloka remember madi. Okay? He says, now when I am, because previously Yamunacharya guru of Ramanacharya, correct? Great acharya, Yamunacharya Nammalvar, Tumba Doda, great. Yamunacharya, guru of Ramanacharya. Yamunacharya writes, previously he was king. He said, now when this Nari Sangame Smaryamane, he says, as a devotee don't do Nari Sangama. We are not interested in that. But sometimes thought may come because of previous activities. Correct? All the literatures you see, TV, newspaper, magazine, nothing but Nari Sangame. One man is running behind woman, woman is running behind man. Nari Sangame. All movies. If you say don't do this, there is no story only. Everything rotating around Nari Sangame. So what happens is that the devotee don't associate with this. They associate with Krishna. If you are seeing TV, you are doing Nari Sangama. Because that is the only thing happening. If you are watching movie, Nari Sangama. Therefore animal. You are not human being. You are taking Kama Ashritya. Taking shelter of Kama. Because that is only Kama. But devotee is differently trained. Okay? So, because he is experiencing higher pleasure, he can give up lower pleasure of sex. The demons, they may speak big things, but they cannot give up sex life. Not easy. Prabhupada said, not easy. He gives an example of hippies. Hippies got frustrated and left their home. But they they were on the streets. They gave up the wealth of the parent. They gave up the prestige at home. But they could not give up sex. मालूम? जो प्रॉपर्ट के टाइम अमेरिका में यंग लोग जो थे क्या बन गए थे? हिपी। तो सब कुछ छोड़ दिया उन्होंने, घर छोड़ दिया, इज्जत छोड़ दी, बड़ा कार छोड़ दिया, लेकिन सेक्स लाइफ नहीं छोड़ पाए, उसके पीछे भग रहे थे। उसको छोड़ना आसान नहीं है। सब कुछ छोड़ सकते हो, सेक्स लाइफ छोड़ना इज नॉट ईजी टू गिव अप सेक्स लाइफ। यू कैन गिव अप एवरीथिंग। द हिपीज गिव अप देयर होम, देयर फेम, प्रेस्टीज, बिग होम्स, they roam on the road, but they could not give up sex life. Prabhupada said it is not so easy. The knot is there. Where you'll go? The Hridaya Granthi is there. Okay? So Kamam Ashritya, we have to give up Kama Ashritya. What we should give up? What we should take? Krishna Ashritya. Otherwise, Kama Ashritya. You understand this point? Understood? Kama Ashritya. Vedic culture is to get out of Kama Ashritya. Demon means Kama Ashritya. असत संग त्याग ए वैष्णवाचारा, स्त्री संगी एक कृष्ण भक्तारा। चैतन्य बाबू बोलते हैं टू स्टार्ट स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ वी शुड गिव अप असत संग। व्हाट इज असत संग? जो आदमी स्त्री का संग करता है उसको दूर से दूर हो। यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट? असत संग त्याग ए वैष्णवाचारा। एंड व्हाट इज असत संग? फर्स्ट स्त्री संग, हु इज टेकिंग कंपनी ऑफ अ वुमन आउटसाइड मैरिज, keep away from. Stri Sangi Eka. Correct? Kama Ashritya means we should keep away. We should not be Kama Ashritya. But somebody is Kama Ashritya, keep away from him. Because we will also get infected. Correct? Our mind also slowly will become trapped. So keep away. Keep safe. You understand? Instead of take shelter of Prabhupada books, Prabhupada का वाणी का shelter लो। काम आश्रित्य नहीं होने का, जिंदगी खत्म हो जाएगा, कहाँ जाओगे? नरक जाओगे। Prabhupada says these demons, society में इनका बड़ा respect है, artificial respect. Oh, people say, oh, he is like that, he is like that, he is. But the truth is, Kama Ashritya. So many, don't want to name big personalities, prime ministers, so many presidents, so many big things. But real fact is, truth is, Kama Ashritya. Don't become Kama Ashritya. Everything will be destroyed. Then, what is the next line? Dushpuram. Pura means control, satiated. Dushpuram means not satiated. They'll never be satisfied. Prahlad Maharaj also says, what is the shloka? Yanmay tunadi grihyameti sukam hitocham. Aage bhai bol. Kandu. One book nodi. Alla shloka is note madi. Amele shloka book is madi. Slowly remember madi. Yanmay tunadi grihyameti sukam hitocham. Because young age, time is there. Correct? Namge time ho gaya. आपको टाइम है। यन्मय तो नादि गृहमेति सुखम हितोच्छम कंडूयनेन करयोरिव दुःख दुःखम तृप्यन्ति नेह कृपणः बहु दुःख भाजा कंडूतिवम मनुष्यजम विषहेत धीरः। So he is saying तृप्यन्ति नेह, nobody is ever satisfied. Dushpura means insatiable. The fire will keep burning. If you take shelter of lust, it will never be satisfied. It will be burning. Take shelter of Krishna, fully satisfied. Agreed? Choice is yours. You take shelter of Krishna or you take shelter of lust. So you have to train. Kamam ashritya dushpuram. Next. Dambamana madanvitaha. Even though it is like that, very proud. Prabhupada gives an example. Outside house, a dog is there tied with a chain, and somebody comes, who? He doesn't see he's chained. So similarly, people are very proud, they cannot see, they are chained. Correct? Chained. Everybody chained or not? Correct? Can you fly now? Can you go to some Saturn now? We are limited. Can you see what's happening in that way? No. We are limited. We are conditioned in so many ways. Limited. Correct? Just like a dog, he is chained. He cannot see the chain is there. He is so proud. Damba. Correct? Dog is doing Damba. Then, what is the next word? Damba mana. Same. Proud. Manam is also proud. Pride. Mana means false prestige. Similar word. And then dhammamana madanvitaha, totally gone mad. Mohat grihitva asad grahan, in total illusion. He does not understand asat. What is asat grahan? False house. You understand? Asat grahat. Where is the word asat grahat? Prahlad Maharaj prays. Hetvatpatam grihe andakupam manogatam ya harimashayeta sada samudvignadhi asuravarya dehinam sada samudvignadhyam asat grahat Hitvatpatam grihe andakupam manongato yad harimashayeta tadasadu manye asuravarya dehinam. He says, my dear father, doesn't say father, Asura Varya. Oh, best of the demons. Asura Varya. Dehinam, for the people who are in the body. Sada samudvigna dhyam asat grahat. Father asked, what is the greatest thing you know, my dear son? What did you learn in Gurukul? We discussed Narsimha Jayanti. What does it say? Tatasadu manye asura varya dehinam. Oh, best of the demons. Sada samudvigna dhyam asat grahat. Always people are in anxiety because they have trying to make permanent settlement in a temporary place. Asat grahat. Correct? Permanent settlement in a temporary place. What will happen? Anxiety will come. Sadas, always anxiety. You know, back of the mind there is trouble here anytime. Hitvatapatam grihe andakupam. They are given up the place for spiritual culture and gone to Andakupa. Their house, their life is considered like Andakupa. Nowadays we hear, no? Sometimes it happens. A child gets trapped in a borewell. See, previously also they will make a small well in the field. Paddy field, they want water. What they will do? They'll dig below. Little they will dig, not like today. Today though you dig up to 300 feet. That much is not in the previous. Little you dig, water will come. 1 feet, 2 feet water. They will use for agriculture. Correct? They don't have borewell like this. They are not needed also. Artificial life. So, and then when they are not using, they will cover it by grass. Okay? But sometimes somebody will not see, pat will fall inside in the pit. That is called Anda Kupa, blind well. You cannot see anything in it. And you are stuck. So, Vanam Gato Harima Asheta. I say, my dear father, go to Vana, go to forest and take shelter of Hari. Okay? So instead of taking shelter of Kama Ashritya, take shelter of Harimashret. Vanam gato yad Harimashret. What the shloka is saying? Kama Ashritya. And Prahlad Maharaj is saying Harimashret. Which is better? Harimashret. Mohat grihitva asad grahat. So let us not try to make a permanent settlement in this world. We do not belong to this world. We belong to Krishna. So let us go back. Pravartante ashuchi vrataha. And they ashuchi, they are very, very unclean. Why they are unclean? What is the reason people are unclean? Batao. Why they are unclean? Prabhupada says in the purport. Why they are unclean? Intoxication, gambling, illicit sex, meat. Because of that, their mind is dirty. Correct? Somebody mind is lusty. What do you say? Dirty. Somebody is eating meat. Dirty. Then somebody is gambling, dirty, and then intoxication, dirty. Correct? Somebody the addict, smoker, drunkard, dirty. So not only the dirt is just taking bath, dirt is to avoid these 4 bad habits. Therefore people are contaminated, they are dirty. Why they are dirty? Full of sinful activities. So that is the nature of the people. They are totally full of sinful activities. Their mind is dirty. Asuchi vrataha. They are very, very unclean. The modern civilization, people are very, very unclean. So this is what is explained here. The demonic people means dirty. Asuchi vrataha. They are addicted to nonsense activities. So this is the typical condition now of the demon. And if you apply it, you see the whole world is full of demons only. Asuchi vrataha. They are very unclean. Their life is not clean. Devotee means pure. Therefore, Queen Kunti says, Tata Paramahamsana Muninam Amalatmanam. Amalatmana, pure. No mal in the heart. Bhagavad Gita, what do you do when you do japa? Shishtastaka, what it says? What is the first verse? Cheto Darpada Marjanam, clean. Whole Krishna consciousness is cleaning. So therefore, when you begin Krishna consciousness, first thing is our heart will be clean. Asuchi vrataha. But normal people are asuchi vrataha. A devotee is clean. Bhagavad Gita also will say, Param Brahma, Param Dhamam, Pavitram. Pavitra means clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So we should keep everything clean. So then also mind will become very calm. So we should understand this very important principle. The principle is that if we seriously practice Krishna consciousness, we will take shelter of Krishna. And when you take shelter of Krishna, you will be saved from all those things which came. Damba, Mana, Asuchi Vrataha. So much pride, so much insatiable lust, trying to make permanent settlement in a temporary place. So like that, we will be saved from the life mentioned here. Okay? So my life of a demon, they take shelter of insatiable lust. Devotee takes shelter of Krishna. Pride and false prestige, devotee doesn't have. He is a humble servant. He is not in illusion. And he is never unclean work. Devotee is always Shuchi. Devotee means Shuchi. Correct? That is the principle. Even Brahmana means Shuchi, means clean. Therefore, service to deity means you should be clean. You should take bath, wear fresh clothes. Attracted by the impermanent. The devotee is not attracted, is attracted by Krishna. Okay, so this is Shloka. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhagavad Gita ki.